Circuits of the Past is the YouTube channel from the website circuitsofthepast.com. It's founded by Dutchman Herman Lischmeyer and it was launched back in 2003. His visits to the abandoned circuit of Nivelles in Belgium inspired him to make a website all about lost racetracks. On the Circuits of the Past YouTube channel, you'll mostly find videos about circuits from the past, but sometimes from the present too. The racing circuits are explored by car, by foot, by drone, and sometimes also by bicycle. So if you're a nostalgic motorsports fan, please subscribe to the Circuits of the Past YouTube channel. Click the notification bell too so that you don't miss a thing.